Played a proper blinder with this. They didn't even supply us with a plug for it, you know.
Really?
Well, it's Canadian, and we got a Canadian plug, which was absolutely no use. Because I went to use it, I took it home, I thought I'll have a little play before I need to use it. You couldn't use it. I had to order one off Amazon. So look what I ordered. 5 meters long. That doesn't fit in there. Why didn't... off. Why doesn't that fit in there? Where the does it fit? Goes in there. What the actual goes in there? You'd like this gadget because it's just so many cables. Don't know which way. Why is it? You try and put a USB in, and if it's the right way, it still doesn't go in until you've tried the wrong way. Why is that? Why? So the first thing I would say is, not that I'm doing a review, but if I was, the first thing I'd say is, should be USB-C, and it should work on a Mac. So I think they're my two gripes about it. I've had to buy an horrible PC, and I've been on a Microsoft boycott for about 20 years, and here I am with a PC, and I hate it. Here we are. Welcome to the 21st century. Restart required. Don't even know what he's trying to set up. How about off Windows Update? What the hell's this? Sentinel LDK. Now it's fucking... oh, off PCs! What the how do I... Right, Clarky. Any ideas? It's just told me that I need to download software. I've downloaded it, and now the computer thinks it doesn't want me to have it. What the I don't... it. It. Just it off, I'm not even bothering. Off. Right, 3D scanners, right. I like it. But give me a piece of sandpaper any day. We're done. And we're ready to scan. Now what we can do is, look at that, we can put a load of markers on here to aid this process. But we're doing pretty good. See, if I had the markers, that would be helping me. Let's get it green. Are you catching it on the screen? Look at it building that data. So green is, it's capturing the detail, red is too close, and blue is too far away. Look at that big hole there in the back. I've just totally killed it. I've deleted everything that we just scanned, but it doesn't matter. How do I get out of this? But that's why we're having a play with it. Before we get into some serious scanning. F off, Norton! Keeps telling me to f***ing restart. I don't even want Norton. F***ing PCs. 3D scanning and RS props. Now we've stayed away from 3D technology, printing and scanning for a long time. But a couple of things have happened which have made us re-evaluate this. Firstly, you may know we had a fire, and although we lost a lot of stuff, there was some stuff that if we had lost, we wouldn't have been able to come back from it. And 3D scanning and archiving all of our molds and tools seems like a good idea. So that was the thought process behind this. Then we had to find something that was up to the job. And secondly, we've been talking with DMD about making statues for a long time. Like seriously, years, many years. And to do that, we needed to 3D scan our assets. Hence, we've joined the 21st century. Still not a big fan of 3D printing and stuff. However, with the right high-end stuff, you can get good results. So here we are, archiving our molds and scanning the original suit so that we can send it to Dan and create some amazing statues. If you want to know more about that, there is a podcast going out this week. Do check that out. We get in depth and we talk to Dan directly about the project and the foreseeable future of us collaborating to create some statues. So now all I've got to do is get to grips with learning the software and creating the scans. So there we go, guys. We are joining the 21st century. But I just do want to reiterate that we're all about making props in the same way they were made in the 1970s. This is just an extra tool to our box. And I think there are going to be a lot of benefits with the way we make mould jackets and things like that. But who knows what exciting potential it could unlock. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining us this week. Check us out next week, where we'll be coming at you with a new video, and I don't even know what it's going to be about, but between now and then we'll work something out. And do check out that podcast that's going to drop on Tuesday, so 3 or 4 days from now. Is that even 3, 4? Yeah, 4 days. 3 or 4 days from now. And you can find out a lot more about the DMD project. Okay, I'll catch you in the next one.